In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image or color in WordPress, a skill that can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your website. Whether you want to make your site more engaging with vibrant colors or personalize it with unique imagery, this process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity and precision. First, we begin at the dashboard, your WordPress website's command center. Once you're logged in, head directly to Appearance on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Customize, which opens up the WordPress Customizer. This tool is incredibly powerful, providing a real-time preview, allowing you to instantly see the changes you make. Now, within the Customizer, look for the section labeled Background. Depending on your theme, this section might be simply named Colors or Background Image. Go ahead and click on it. If you're aiming for a solid color background, navigate to the Background Color option. Here, you'll find a color picker tool. Click on it, and you can choose from a spectrum of colors. Drag the selector until you've found a hue that perfectly complements your site's design. If you have a specific color code in mind, inputting this directly can also yield precisely the tint you're envisioning. Should you wish to opt for a background image instead, select the Background Image option within the same customization area. Click on Add Image. This will open up the media library, showcasing images already uploaded to your site. If you have your chosen image handy on your computer, click Upload Files and drag your image into the library. Choose an image that is lightweight and optimized for the web to ensure your site remains speedy and responsive. Once uploaded, select Choose Image. Your selected image will now appear as your website's background, easy as that. It's important to consider the impression you want your site to impart. Bright colors can generate energy, while softer shades might evoke tranquility. When using an image, ensure it aligns with your brand and doesn't distract from your main content. High-resolution images can make a significant impact, but remember to balance quality with file size to preserve loading times. Once you're satisfied with your new look, don't forget to hit the Publish button at the top to save your changes. You can now admire your site's refreshed design with its new background, adding both depth and personality to your WordPress site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can enhance your website with a captivating background that not only looks great but serves as an integral part of your site's branding. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and you feel more empowered to customize your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!